What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to another beautiful day in Santa Barbara, California. So we are at the beach. It's in October. It's freaking gorgeous, and I figured why not do a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a while. We also have a really big announcement, so that is coming too. We're gonna be surfing, playing with beach games, and it should be awesome. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, this is our current setup. This is Teen's Wave Storm. We got these from Costco. They're actually just foam boards, but they have plastic bottoms, and they're freaking awesome. They're 8 feet. They pretty much catch everything. And she's so light, she can literally catch everything on these. I got the reggae style for mine. This is one of Alex's custom made boards, which is super cool. Got all the towels laid out, beach games. We're at Devereaux Beach. This is a beach called Devereaux. Right out on the corner, it's called Sands. This is right outside of UCSB, the campus here. And it's absolutely gorgeous. I went to Penn State University. It certainly didn't look like this. Good God. Yeah, so it's pretty much gonna be like 70s and 80s, October and November. Like I've been at the beach in, what is it? Thanksgiving. On Thanksgiving, I've been at the beach here in Santa Barbara.
Oh yeah, you can go till Christmas. You can go all year.
One of the many reasons why we love California. But yeah, we actually have a pretty big announcement for you guys. So
Ollie caught a wave.
I missed it. He's too far away. Yeah, there's little waves. They're supposed to be 2 to 3 feet today, but it's a little bit smaller than we would like it, but we're still gonna paddle out here in a little bit. So, we've been alluding at having a big announcement for a while, and I'm very excited to announce Teens and I are getting married. No, I'm just kidding. Everyone keeps telling us to get married. No, the big announcement is Christina and I are gonna be on a TV show. So it's a show called Battle of the Fittest Couples. It's basically pitting 12 couples, 24 people against each other, along with like reality stuff in a house. So you're all living together and doing these like grueling competitions.
You're living together for a whole month.
Yeah.
Alcohol, drama,
yeah, competitions, elimination.
And you're fighting for $100 grand.
$100,000 was on the line. So it's premiering October 15th on a Tuesday, and it's going to be on the Paramount Network, and it's at 8 p.m. Pacific or 11 p.m. on Eastern, yeah, East Coast time. And it's coming on right after Ink Masters, if you guys know the show Ink Masters, which is Paramount, one of Paramount's hit TV shows, so it's pretty cool for us. It's a season 1. It was hosted by Jordan and JoJo of The Bachelor. And yeah, it should be really interesting. We don't know what to expect. We know how we did, but we don't know how we're gonna be portrayed and all that kind of stuff. So it's gonna be really interesting. If you wanna check out more, you can check out our Instagram pages where there's a Battle of the Fittest Couple, like official page for the show. And there's all kinds of like promo shots and trailers and all that kind of stuff. I'll put up some pictures and things like that right there, or right here on the screen. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting, and we're really excited to see where it takes us. Teens has always wanted to get into acting and modeling, which is why she does what she does. So yeah, wish us luck. Moment of truth, teens. Let's see how cold the water is. So Pacific Ocean in Santa Barbara doesn't get very warm. My guess is it's probably in the 60s, maybe the 70s if we're lucky.
2 weeks ago when we were here, I was surfing in my bikini, so
that's true.
I think I'm just gonna do it again.
You probably still could. Oh my God, I'm not. It feels like an ice bath. We relocated down here. There's a shipwreck out there, and we're gonna see if we can find some waves. My issue with this area is there's a lot of rocks. You see a big ass rock right over there. Teens, what do you think?
Sharks.
Oh yeah, there's sharks out here too. Actually, just a little leopard shark. It's not that big a deal. Alex caught a really nice ride earlier. So I'm gonna see if I'm not that good at surfing, and I'm also trying to hold a GoPro, so this should be interesting. Oh, wetsuits are so nice. You can actually see down in, there's leopard sharks out here. See, look at that big ass rock right there. This is what Alex does to us. Look at Teen, she's so light she can just sit on her board and paddle anytime she wants. All right, let's see if Teens can get this one. You got it. Go, babe.
It's freezing.
You need a better wetsuit.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, show them how that thing unzips.
Unzips right down the middle. Waha!
Wow, skurs. Demonetized. He's got it. I just got destroyed. That was
Random
epic.
guy surfing.
Yeah, not us. It's too hard for me to surf while holding this.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Yeah. Look at Teens. She's so light she can stand on her board. That's hilarious. That was fun, guys. I've got seaweed on the GoPro. No big deal. Come on, baby. No. There we go. Get it, Ollie. Get it, Ollie. Oh. That's an intro clip right there. That's epic. Come on. Stay forward, stay forward. Ah. Keep it. All right, so I think we're done surfing for the day. The waves pretty much fell apart on us.
Pot of dolphins out there.
Yeah, they're probably too far for you guys to see. Actually, they just came up way out there. I was gonna paddle out to them, but I don't know. Yeah, you can see them still out there. That's crazy. I think we're gonna play some beach games, some paddle. Whoever screws it up has to jump in the water.
Which is always Jaret, so.
Oh, is that right? Nice. Get in the action, Jenny. I got it. I got it. Come on, get out of the action.
He said get into the action, not get out of
You
it.
gotta get out of it now.
No, he said get into it.
Awesome, get into it.
So yeah. So I have permission to be in the action.
Everywhere. I'm unstoppable. Oh my god. This is the longest paddle ever.
Woo!
I'm everywhere now. Oh, Teens! That was Teens, she blew it. All right, we're gonna take a walk, go check out this boat down here, and go check out Sands. Let's see, Teens. Oh, that was 2. You
Well, it went into the weight. I wasn't ready.
You skipped it one time.
Wasn't ready.
Let's see Ollie. Oh shit. Why'd you, oh, that was like 5, right?
All right, I got one.
Something like that?
I got one.
Let's see it.
3.
3.
Got 3.
That still wasn't very good.
Okay, let's see you. What you got, little boy?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Can you see?
3. Yeah, that's right. That's what I thought.
Oh, 4! Woo! Yeah!
Look at this dog. With his big ass stick. No F's given. Check it out. This boat washed up. There was a pretty big surf yesterday. That does not look fun. I think they're trying to get it out of there. I'm not sure if it's on a rock or if it's just sitting on the sand or what, but look at that. That is wild. Hey, bud. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hey, don't take my camera. I love it. So this is Sands Beach. The beach that we were just at back there is Devereaux. And this is more of a beach break. A little bit more intense waves. Usually a little bit bigger, but they're shorter rides. And we don't like shorter rides, do we? Ba-dum-bum. But you can see it really opens up over here. It's beautiful. That's like the Gaviota coastline. It's all like protected lands, kind of like a preserve. It is super windy. Do you think anyone's gonna hear this? What are the chances? No.
Not on a GoPro.
No, I should have brought the G7. So that's the end of our beach day. We're packing everything up. We're gonna go home and shower and then go catch some food. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not sure where we're gonna go just yet. So let's jump to the car. All right, so we made it back home. One thing about salt water is you have to rinse it off of things because it literally, hey, you're spraying my, it literally ruins everything. So we're gonna clean the surfboards and the wetsuits. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention too, if you guys haven't seen Christina's channel, you know how I do bike build giveaways on my channel. She's actually doing the same thing but with this Z06 Corvette. So if you check out her Patreon page, I'll put it up on the screen right here. It's just Christina Custom. She completely just copied off of me. But I think it's 50 bucks a month. Hers is a monthly thing. And then you get an entry for every month that you support. And I think she's aiming to give this away in January. And you also get feedback into what she's doing. They're gonna be wrapping this car next. We have an incredible exhaust system coming for this. And yeah, I mean, it's gonna be like an $80,000 Z06 Corvette, supercharged. 2016, it only has 8,000 miles, 3LZ package, fully loaded. If you're interested in winning a Z06 Corvette, definitely check out our Patreon page. It's gonna be freaking epic. This car is so much fun to drive. We would take it tonight, but I think Alex is gonna join us for dinner, so we have to take the Rogue. Womp womp. All right, we're all showered up. We had to wait for this kid over here. So get this, guys, when we're surfing, we tell him, hey, we're starving, so we're gonna go home and shower off and like, let's go have an early dinner, right? At like 4. He goes home and gets In-N-Out Burger with his family and then doesn't tell us. And then comes over at like 5:30. What time is it? Almost 6 o'clock.
I need that extra protein.
He needs the extra protein. Teens and I haven't ate anything all day.
Both cereal this morning.
So now I'm hangry. I want to beat somebody down. But yeah. Kids, guys. Right. Kids, don't have kids.
Yeah.
Drive you crazy. But we're going to CPK, which is California Pizza Kitchen. We're downtown Santa Barbara, and well, this is kind of like off the beaten path. It's like one more street over, but yeah, this place is awesome. I love it down here. What are you teens?
Yes. It's a beautiful day.
So let's go have some food. We'll show you what we're having. So check this out, guys. This is like our this is technically our mall, right? Paseo Nuevo. It's like an outdoor mall. We don't have any like indoor malls, but we're going to CPK. Let's go on in. All right, so I'm starting off with one of my favorite drinks in the whole world, a Moscow Mule. Alex was laughing at me because he said, I drink a Moscow Mule. I probably have, I would say 4 to 5 Moscow Mules every week. Yeah. And they're like $7 to $10. So we calculated that if I drink that many each week, I spend around $1,500 to $2,000 a year on Moscow Mules. Teens, how's that make you feel?
It's your money.
Moscow Mule Gang checking in.
That's a little crazy.
All right, round 2 has arrived, a Samuel Adams. And then we did some more calculations, and I think that I probably spend around $5,000 a year on alcohol. What do you guys think?
At least.
Worth every penny. So we got our appetizers. We're doing spinach artichoke dip with chips, and we have some bread with some oil and vinegar. And I actually like to dip the bread in the oil and vinegar and then into the spinach artichoke dip. Bon appetit. That's a spicy meatball. All right, folks, the food has arrived. I got a pepperoni pizza that I added chicken, pineapples, and garlic, and it's ridiculous. She's also getting me a side of ranch dressing. If you've never dipped pizza in ranch, you haven't lived life. Alex is rocking chicken piccata, which looks very good. I think I'm gonna trade him a slice for a bite. Protein for days for him. Teen's got a barbecue chicken salad with pretty much everything good taken out of it.
No, just scallions and cilantro. And
don't lie to the YouTube fam.
Cilantro and scallions.
Oh, who are you looking at?
Talking to you.
Why were you looking over there?
Why would I be talking to the camera? I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Check, please.
Talking to the camera.
All right, we're gonna eat some food. All right, so we just got home from dinner. It was absolutely delightful. I am gonna explode and possibly die.
I agree.
Also, yes, that is a Christmas tree. Did we put it up early? Technically, no, because we never took it down.
It's the light source in this house.
It's one of our lamps, and we also just like it being Christmas every day in this house. But Hanukkah's great too, so, you know, we're not judging anyone. But that's gonna do it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, that helps us out. And we will see you guys in the next one.